In this video, I will be showing you how to create thumbnail for YouTube on Canva in Urdu writing. Let's get started. First, I head to the Canva homepage and click on the search bar to type in YouTube thumbnail. As the results load, I scroll through the wide variety of templates to find a design that fits my needs. I see several great options for podcasts, news, and business. I'll click on this money-themed template to see a preview, but then I decide to go with this vibrant millionaire mindset design instead. I click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the design is open, I want to change the text to Urdu. I go to the Apps tab on the left sidebar and search for the Translate tool. Once I open the Translate app, I click the Select Language dropdown and search for Urdu. After selecting the language, I check the box for the specific text element on the canvas that I want to translate. I then click the Translate button at the bottom. Canva creates a new page with the translated text. I'll start by repositioning and resizing the Urdu words millionaire and mindset to make sure they are centered and easy to read. Next, I want to swap out some graphics. I go to the Elements tab and search for coins. I find a graphic that I like, add it to the canvas, and then delete the original coin stack from the template to keep things clean. To add a bit more depth to the design, I search for a yellow gradient in the Elements library. I select a soft gradient and place it over the new coin graphic. To make sure it doesn't cover the text, I right-click the gradient, go to Layer, and select Send Backward. I'll make a few final adjustments to the placement of the coins and the gradient, and now my professional YouTube thumbnail with Urdu writing is complete.